Hello guys, in this video I will show you a list of keywords that I can get some recently short keys, how to get easy steps to accessibility for some options on Windows using short keys. So it's gonna be all using the Windows key. So let's start with Windows E. It's gonna be open your file explorer. Then I will get Windows E to open settings. I will get Windows D enable, like we have a lot of screens application. You will just want to access to the desktop directly. You will just one shot to desktop one. All what you need to do, Windows D to get on the desktop. Windows search, which is Windows and S. For the clipboard history, when you are copy a lot of things and you want to clipboard all the history of the copy elements, so you go for Windows G and you will have all recent last copy things elements. There is another thing which is Windows Shift S, and you will get a sniping, or let's say it's screen snip. Another short case that you need to do, which is open directly task manager instead of getting to this, which is Control Shift Escape, and you will have the task manager. There is file explorer system short case Windows X. You will have all the accessibility of the quick link menu. Windows left area and right area to get the snap windows. Resume to selected one, which is F2, and you have Windows tab to have all the opening searches. So that's it guys, that's the most popular short case that you need to mention and to get it in easy steps. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel.